will you just be going to church only to be entertained? Now, smartphone has exposed all of us that only few of us have devotion to God. Hello? Now, smartphone, while the praise and worship is going on, everybody pull out their smartphone and they begin to record and begin to record. Somebody is even dancing and he's recording himself or herself dancing and upload it. Do you know what they call worship? Worship is communion. Do you know what they call communion? Communion is conjugal. It's just like conjugal between husband and wife. Have you ever seen a man and his wife having their conjugal right and they put their selfie to record and upload? I'm asking you. Now, what they don't do in the world, you do in the church. Now, you are having intercourse with God, then you put a selfie and you're uploading it. That is the form of godliness, but denying the power. So the kingdom of God cannot be established in you, and you are found of God.